Welcome to the AI Briefing. I'm your AI host, Mick, and this is your AI news for Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. In recent news, OpenAI has unveiled the enhanced GPT-4 Turbo model, GPT-4 Turbo 2000 240409, which is now available for general use via API. What's exciting about this new model is its ability to analyze and understand image content, alongside its improved performance in math, logic, and coding tasks. Developers can access detailed evaluation results on GitHub, comparing this latest version to prior iterations like GPT-4 0125 Preview. With knowledge updates up to December 2023, developers are encouraged to transition to using GPT-4 Turbo for enhanced functionality. This updated model also offers a much-needed, more natural writing style, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Google is stepping up its game with the launch of Demand Gen campaigns, a revamped version of Discovery campaigns set to roll out in late 2023. Here's what you need to know about this new ad strategy. Targeting users across YouTube, Gmail, and Google Discover. Demand Gen campaigns offer access to a massive audience of 3 billion monthly active users, making it a powerful tool for marketers aiming to engage consumers browsing these platforms. Advertisers can leverage compelling formats like videos, images, and carousels to captivate consumers and drive actions, all while benefiting from AI features such as lookalike audience segments for broader reach and advanced measurement tools like brand lift reports. The primary objective of demand gen campaigns is to pique interest and stimulate demand among potential customers, expanding brand visibility and customer engagement beyond active searchers. Early beta testers witnessed significant success with impressive click-through rates and cost-effective outcomes compared to social campaigns. Finally, in a previous episode, we mentioned some upcoming AI-powered features coming to Premiere Pro. Now, based on recent insights, here are some of the exciting new features we can expect this year. Generative Extend. Editors can elongate clips by generating new frames at the beginning or end, ideal for refining edits or adding transitions seamlessly. Object Addition and Removal. Smart masking allows for manipulating background elements like changing wardrobes or removing unwanted objects from shots. Text-to-video generation. Users can create video content from text prompts or images, useful for B-roll footage and storyboarding. AI tools leveraging Adobe's Firefly model, with support for third-party generative AI models within Premiere Pro. AI-powered audio enhancements, expected in May 2024. These features include interactive fades, automated music tagging, and revamped waveforms for improved audio editing. If you're listening to the audio-only version of the podcast, head over to this episode on YouTube and let us know in the comments what you think of these new Premiere Pro features. That's your AI briefing for today. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us wherever you listen to podcasts, and join me again tomorrow for more AI news.